Hi guys, welcome to Jerry's World, and this is episode 2 of Baking with the Non-Bakers. And for today's episode, I have Akash with me from the Twins Magic. So let's welcome him.
Long time.
How are you? How are you
I
feeling?
always wanted to fulfill my coffee with Karan fantasy when they welcome and they do the fake hug. Na?
Long time. Okay, so what are you feeling like today?
So, we'll be honest. Anshita asked us yesterday, what do you guys want to bake? Should we do the chits? What should we do? And I was like, whatever takes the least amount of time. So, let's do cookies.
Yes.
और कुछ तो नहीं हो पाता मुझसे. So, we truly are a non-baker friends.
Yes. Yeah, so we will do chocolate chip cookies then.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even though I don't like chips, but sure.
Chocolate chunks? Do you want to do chocolate chunks?
Let's do chunks.
So let's do chocolate chunk cookies, and it's going to be a very easy process. You don't have to stress about it, and you get to eat the warm, gooey cookies right.
Love that. And there's one thing about me, I don't take stress about anything. It's just like Kim Kardashian mindset and heart lives in me. She also doesn't take stress.
I'm glad. Okay, let's get started. So we already have melted butter with us. In this we will add.
This is chini.
This is sugar, घर की पिसी हुई चीनी.
And this is brown
This is
sugar.
brown sugar.
तो फर्क क्या हुआ?
Brown sugar थोड़ा सा it gives more caramelly texture क्योंकि इसमें मोलासेस थोड़े ज़्यादा होते हैं. So you get a little bit of more butterscotchy or caramel sort of.
And now we whisk.
Yes, you whisk it. And you have to make sure कि lump सारे जो sugar के वो खत्म हो जाए.
You should have like one assistant for us who can whisk and all, हम बस थोड़ी acting करें and then within 2 minutes एक whisk करा हुआ part है.
तो मैं उन्हीं से कर लेती सारा shoot. What is the point of having you? You guys spend so much time doing your makeup and all for your clients. तब तो आपके हाथ.
तो वो हमारा पेशा है.
This is.
Your पेशा.
Yeah.
It's like मैं आपको बोलूँ मेकअप करो और खुद blend कर दो.
But the concept of the series is that I'm baking with you guys. Okay, and now I'm adding like whole milk.
What's whole milk?
Whole milk is like full fat milk without. The cream is still there. जैसे उसकी जो ऊपर मलाई होती है वो नहीं निकाली है.
Oh.
And I'm going to add vanilla.
How very expensive vanilla essence, as we heard in her last.
Vanilla extract,
episode.
guys. Vanilla extract by Sprig.
Have they still not sponsored you?
No.
Very
They
true.
still haven't sponsored me.
Very true. Maybe by the 10th episode,
They will sponsor.
or maybe when you have a season 2 when we are returning, then they must.
That would be crazy.
Then
कि
they must.
Season 2, episode 1,
Yeah.
sponsored by Sprig.
Yeah, when we have our comeback.
Yeah. Now, अब हो गया. Now, take this maida. Put it in this. Yeah. And this is baking soda that we'll add. Put it in this. And now with this spatula, just mix it. It will become like a dough. It will not be like a cake batter.
Can I tell you, जब बचपन में, since you guys were talking about school and everything, I remember एक बार हमारे स्कूल वाले निक बेकर्स की वर्कशॉप और
Nick Bakers पे.
I don't know, there was some bakery where हमारा school, like it was like a visit. The whole school visited their workshop or whatever, wherever they bake, and it was like minus some temperature and very cold and good.
What year was it? Because Nick Bakers, I think, came when
I think it must be like,
2008 Nick Bakers was
yeah,
already.
so it must be in 7th, 8th class. So it was one of these famous bakeries.
Okay.
Is
Chocolate?
it sponsored?
No.
Oh gosh, I don't like Amul, I like the whole truth. Do we have to take Amul?
If Whole Truth sponsors the next video, we'll get Whole Truth.
Yeah. See, I'm calling sponsors for you.
Yeah. But basically, we are using 55% dark chocolate. We're not using compound.
And now we just have to do kach.
हाँ ये इसका cover निकाल के.
Like this, no?
Yeah.
But tell me,
उंगली मत कर लेना.
but tell me,
And don't be Kendall Jenner.
tell me, since you are a professional baker, you are.
Yeah.
Where's your
Chef's hat.
cap and gloves and everything?
Aesthetic.
तब से मैं बोलने का इंतजार कर रहा था जब से अंचित की वीडियो शूट करे थे ना. Like जब मैं आऊँगा तभी बोल दूँगा.
सबको बता दो कि ये दोनों वीडियो एक दिन शूट हुई है. सबको बता दो.
हाँ तो क्या हुआ? कैसा कर रहा हूँ मैं?
डिसेंट। मुझे बस आपको लग रहा है आप उंगली अपनी संभाल के,
नहीं
कल ऐसा ना हो कि दिखाने लगे बचे ना अंगूठा।
नहीं So tell me what's your favorite kind of, I mean one thing you hate baking.
One thing I hate baking, I don't like doing any fondant work. I hate it. It's like waste of money and it is so
मतलब like a
unhealthy.
lot of cream and all.
No, fondant is a clay work जिस पे तुम you can make creatures and all.
हाँ, जो हम बचपन में वो देखते थे TLC पे वो बनाते थे
हाँ,
proper
बड़े-बड़े
heels
structure. Yes,
and
yes,
like they
yes.
used to make everything. Good
Yeah.
Cake, what was the name of that show?
I don't know. I remember.
I used to love watching those cakes. It was like
थक जाओ तो मुझे बता देना,
थक तो मैं गया हूँ but
मैं कर लेती हूँ।
कर लेता हूँ since सारा काम आपने हम ही से ही कराना है या you didn't have any assistant to help us.
नेक्स्ट वीडियो में ना सारा वेट भी तुमसे कराऊंगी।
चलो
ये तो अभी पहले से रखा हुआ वेट करके।
हाँ तो ऐसे बताना था ना मेरे को कि you can cut it like this. Look at the difference. I have done so
अरे मैं करूँगी
finely
ना।
chopped and she is doing so thick. I also thought we could make some tea cakes or something because you know my favorite tea cake is from this CBTL. Their orange tea cake is too good.
I
Have you
remember
tried
last
it?
you told me to get it for you when I came to your place.
Yeah,
I'll
but
get
she
it.
never got it for us.
मैं उसके पास घर आई हूँ तुम्हारे।
अब हम इसमें दूध डालेंगे.
नहीं, अब इसको बस मिक्स करोगे ऐसे, बस इसको ऐसे आटे की तरह।
Do we not need some liquid?
No, कुकीज इट्स कुकीज
easiest to
आटे की तरह
make.
होता है। इट्स लाइक रोटी का आटा। ओके, नाउ गेट दैट वेइंग मशीन ऑन।
यहाँ पे रख दूँ.
अभी व्हाट वी विल डू इज 50 ग्राम्स के यू कैन मेक।
और अगर ज़्यादा का बना दिया तो ज़्यादा बड़ा बन जाएगा.
हाँ, और वो बस ज़्यादा फैल जाता है।
मतलब exact 50.
एंड देन यू मेक अ बॉल लाइक दिस।
And we have to pichkao it or
No,
not?
no, we'll just keep it on the baking tray.
Oh, just a ball.
Yeah. हाँ, what were you talking about?
Wait, पहले मैं एक बॉल बना लूँ. पहले वेट कर लो फिर बताऊँगा. बस ये ठीक है ना?
Yeah.
So should we tell them how we have improved your makeup game since we spoke about our first impression of Anshita? So we have also given Anshita makeup classes because she really needed it and her makeup was quite questionable. And then after we gave her the makeup classes, then also her blush stays unblended. And whenever I look at her Instagram selfie or something, there is a blob of blush here that's always unblended.
But you know, I've just taken 2 classes, okay, and I've told them that
But her game has changed. She has been getting compliments also.
Yeah, and I've told them that I will take another class. Just that I'm trying to save because they guys are very expensive.
I don't think so.
But worth the money. I'm not complaining about
Wow,
it.
50. अच्छा लग रहा है मेरे को लड्डू बना के. Also, let me just tell you, the first time we met her, she didn't know how to wash her hair because ma'am is too bougie and she goes out to get her head wash done all the time. So she doesn't know how to wash her hair and
I don't-
sometimes her mom washes her hair for her.
I don't enjoy washing my hair घर पे। मुझे तो सैल हो जाऊंगी। It will be like a nice retreat. They will wash it for me.
That's why she doesn't know how to wash her hair. That's what I said.
It's not I don't know how to wash it. I don't like washing मेरे बाल घर पे।
तो खुद भी धोती हैं तब भी तेल ही रहता है उनके बालों में, कहने का मतलब है.
इसलिए मैं धोती ही नहीं हूँ घर पे, मैं भिजवाती ही बाहर से हूँ।
So what's your favorite thing to make? You don't like fondant, cakes and everything?
I love making like cookies and brownies.
Wow, I love good brownies also.
We've had brownies that I've made? No, no. I don't think I've tasted my brownies.
I think I've tasted most of your stuff from that exhibition that you had once.
And you've tasted most of my tea cakes.
Yeah,
ये से flat मत करो
वो भी मेरे को
भाई।
बहुत अच्छे लगे थे. हाँ, वो मेरे को बाद में रियलाइज हुआ.
गोल।
You know, I used to love बचपन में जब हमारे घर में वो आता था ना that you have to make गुलाब जामुन by yourself. So वैसे गोल गोल घुमाते थे. I used to love the process of making. ऐसे मार्केट में आता है सामान that you can buy वो something and you can make gulab jamun at home. So I used to love that process. और उसमें मैं ऐसे गोल गोल घुमा के गुलाब जामुन का कुछ तो करता
ठीक
था.
है। I will now keep it in the fridge for like 10 minutes and then I'll get a tray और हम इसको बेक करने रखेंगे।
तो ठंडा क्यों करना है हमने?
बिकॉज ये बटर है, ये बहुत सॉफ्ट है अभी टेम्परेचर ऐसा कि वो बिल्कुल फैल जाएगा, वो कुकी की शेप नहीं मेंटेन करेगी।
Sure. Till the time she has gone to keep these laddus in the fridge, if there's anyone who loves getting makeup, who is a bride to be and you want to get your glam done, check out our page. Or even if you are not gonna get your makeup done, we love posting nice 1-minute tutorial therapy, so you can check that out also. So the name of our page is The Twins Magic. You met my twin brother last video. He's Anchit, I am Akash, we are twin brothers, and that's why our page name is The Twins Magic. Selfless promotion कर रहे थे हम while you were gone.
Please, I would be more than happy if you get good clients from my page. Can you pick up this? Yeah.
So this is Thande Hue Re.
Yeah.
Wow.
And now we keep.
Very nice. तो उनका क्या करोगे जो अभी हमने बनाया है?
अरे नहीं बताना तो चुप रहो.
तो काट देना ना ये. टैप किया हो पहले से. तो काट देना ये.
अरे नहीं चुप रहो. Now we'll bake it for like 10 to 12 minutes.
Sure, ma'am.
And then I'll get the warm cookies.
That was easy.
I know.
Wow.
See?
Wow. I really didn't know that it was this easy to
Yeah,
make.
it is. We just have to be a little patient because you have to keep it on the like
Yeah.
the tray for a while क्योंकि वो ऐसे slow bake हो रहा होता है.
Yeah.
मैंने आप हिलाओगे तो वो बिल्कुल टूट जाएगा. But these are like chunky cookies.
Wow. Love it. So and it's soft also.
Yeah. It will take like in 2-ish minutes. It will take a proper shape.
तो हमने
अभी हम इसको उठा नहीं पाएंगे क्योंकि अभी it's a little soft. Do you want to taste it? गरम you can wait for 2 minutes.
We can wait for 2 minutes.
Okay. Do you have anything in mind कि आपको बॉम्बे में क्या सबसे अच्छी कुकी मिली है या what's a go-to place in Bombay?
I feel that I don't have as much of a sweet tooth, firstly to start with, and I hate chocolates. So I like more of white chocolates and everything. But if ever I have to go somewhere. So I love going to Bombay Sweet Shop. Like that day we walked. Remember you, Akshita, her sister, Anchit, me. We walked to Bombay Sweet
it was
Shop late
amazing.
night. I just love going walking. And if in dessert I love anything, I love a good tiramisu. I love a good cheesecake also. And yeah.
Bombay Sweet Shop, whenever I visit to Bombay, I always get desserts from there from my friends.
Yeah,
Always,
yeah.
like they just want it from there.
And they have this that Anchit only made me try. They have this strawberry flavor, na? The chips, I don't know, chocolate, and it's so good, so good. And there's just one more place in Hyderabad, Consude. It's a restaurant, and they give you fresh strawberries, and you dip it in the chocolate, and you have it. And again, it's seasonal, and it's so good. So I think these two are my favorite dessert places.
Any particular one in Chandigarh apart from Jerry's World, of course.
Of course.
Any go-to place here? Where do you usually get desserts from when you were a kid or like before you moved to Bombay?
I don't think so. We ever went out to get desserts. My definition of desserts was just like ice creams, getting like, and that too not like expensive ice creams. I used to love that 5 rupees, 10 rupees wali cola ice cream जो बर्फ वाली होती है. I used to love that, and cola जो अब quality ने discontinue कर दिया है, so I hate that.
अभी मुझे लगता है sticks वाले में my favorite is Have More की.
Yeah,
I
or
like
I love a good faluda, but without those pink and greens
tutti
and
frutti.
everything, without kishmish and everything. Yeah.
Okay, now let's try this. I think we can try.
Wow, it honestly looks really good, and I'm so glad we didn't do choco chip. Wait, I'll have the smaller one.
Well, I was making you try. It's going to be very garam.
It's really good.
The chocolate is
Really
melting.
And I like that. It's not too sweet, but it's sweet. I love it.
And I think I love the thing that the chocolate is melting because एकदम गरम है ये.
This is what they say, fresh out of oven.
Yeah.
So fresh.
And I really wish, guys, that we could make you like smell in here. It's smelling heavenly.
Love it. I think it's low-key better than the cake you guys baked on for your first episode. It's really good.
If you haven't seen the first episode, please go back and see the first episode.
Maybe because I'm not a cake person. Even on my birthdays, I never eat cakes. So maybe
But
that's
would you want to eat like a cookie cake on your birthday? I can do that for you next time.
yeah. Or maybe like a cupcake max. Or cookie. But it's really good. Love it.
Yeah. Thank you so much, guys, for watching episode 2 of Baking with the Non-Bakers. And if you guys like our content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Follow for more.
Too good. I'm obsessed.